Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Polkadot with Webull, full guide step by step clearly. To invest in Polkadot using Webull, start by creating an account on the Webull platform. Download the Webull app from your device's app store or visit the Webull website. Sign up for an account by providing your email address and creating a password. Complete the necessary identity verification process by submitting your identification. Once your account is verified, log into the Webull app or website. Ensure your account is funded by linking your bank account and transferring funds into your Webull account. Navigate to the search bar located at the top of the app or website. Type Polkadot or its ticker symbol DOT in the search bar. Select Polkadot from the search results to view its trading information. Tap on the Trade button to initiate a purchase. Decide whether you want to place a market order or a limit order for your Polkadot investment. Enter the amount of Polkadot you wish to buy or the amount of money you want to invest. Review your order details, including the total cost and applicable fees. Confirm your investment by tapping the Buy button. Once your order is executed, you will find your Polkadot holdings in your portfolio. Monitor your investment's performance regularly through the Webull app. Consider setting alerts to stay updated on price changes and market movements. Keep researching and staying informed about developments in the Polkadot ecosystem. By following these steps, you can successfully invest in Polkadot using Webull. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.